The Honda Civic Type R is designed for fun, whether you're tearing up the racetrack or cruising on the open road. This beefed-up version of the standard Civic hatchback boasts a powerful 315 horsepower turbocharged inline-four engine and a 6-speed manual transmission, making it a thrill to drive. At our test track, the Civic Type R delivered impressive grip, sticking to the pavement like glue. Despite the high road noise, the red carpet and matching red seats provide top-notch comfort. However, if you're looking for heated seats, you'll have to check out its sibling, the Acura Integra Type S. Starting at a competitive price, the Civic Type R offers great value for its performance. It's not only cheaper than the Volkswagen Golf R, but also just below the entry-level Toyota Supra. With 4 doors and a hatch, it combines the practicality of a sports car with the convenience of a daily driver. Under the hood, the Civic Type R features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, now producing 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque thanks to a reworked turbocharger and a more efficient exhaust system. Additional upgrades include a larger radiator, improved brake cooling, and a refined exhaust note. The 6-speed manual transmission is paired with a lighter flywheel and a revised rev match system, enhancing the driving experience. The front-wheel drive system uses a dual-axis strut front suspension to minimize torque steer, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. While the new Civic Type R sports a more subdued look compared to its predecessor, it still features a prominent rear wing and aerodynamic enhancements. The 19-inch wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S performance tires, providing exceptional grip. In our 0 to 150 to 0 speed test, the Civic Type R returned to a stop in just 52.7 seconds. While its rival, the Hyundai Elantra N, did it in 47.0 seconds. The Civic Type R still impresses with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.9 seconds and a quarter-mile run of 13.5 seconds at 106 miles per hour. It also pulled 1.02 Gs on the skid pad. The Civic Type R gets an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, it exceeded expectations with 30 miles per gallon. Inside, the Civic Type R features a minimalist yet sporty design, with red accents, faux carbon fiber trim, and highly supportive front seats. Be careful with the aluminum shift knob on hot days, though. The new digital cluster includes shift light indicators to help you avoid hitting the red line. With the same passenger and cargo space as the standard Civic hatchback, the Civic Type R is a versatile car that combines performance and practicality. Whether you're on the track or the highway, the Civic Type R promises an exhilarating driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and driving experiences. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.